Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I just want to give y'all an update on my experiences with the Galaxy Z Fold7 after using it for the last month or so. And no better way of doing that instead of driving around. Let's go pick up some breakfast real quick. And hopefully I can get this video done before I get to the spot where I'm going to get the breakfast at. And there's no other way of showing off the phone, then let's see what the cameras can do again. Because this is the cameras. This is in 4K at 60 frames. HDR10 video. So y'all let me know. How does everything look? How does I sound? Go follow Walgreens on their Twitter and Facebook page. Yes, Walgreens is still a thing around in Texas. But so far, I am enjoying the Galaxy Z Fold7. Nothing really has changed from the last time. It's still a great device. I love the changes that they made with it. I love how the display is bigger on the front and in the inside display. The battery life has been pretty good, especially when you push it really, to the limits when you edit a video or shooting videos. The battery life is pretty good on this phone. Again, is it perfect? No. I mean, they took away the S Pen abilities. They still using I would consider a small battery. The charging speed is still slow compared to other phones out there. So yeah, it's not a perfect phone, but when you look at the overall build of this phone, the size of it, how light it feels, how thin the phone is, then there's not a lot of arguments there. It's probably one of the best folding phones out there in the US and in the world, I'm gonna say, even though I haven't tried that many from different countries. So the build quality is great. Watching YouTube videos, Netflix, I mean, you open this screen up and you got so much real estate that it's a great experience. The speakers are good on here. Are they the loudest? No. Are they the best speakers on a cell phone? No, but they're doable. And then another upgrade is the cameras. The video that you can get on this phone is great. I mean, I'm shooting this in 4K at 60. Y'all let me know. The 8K video is great. Taking photos have been really good too. So the cameras, they upgraded the main shooter on here. Now the one thing I know some people will say no, they need help with is the telephoto lens. That could definitely be a little bit better. You could see the downgrade in it, but overall the camera system as a whole is better than what you get on the Z Fold 6 and the 5 easily. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor for Galaxy it's a powerhouse. I would rather this chip in the Google Pixel 10 Pro than the what is it called? I forgot even the chip, whatever, it's the 5, the Tencent chip or I forgot the Google's chip. Which the Google's coming out soon, which I probably will be picking up. No, I'm not getting rid of my Z Fold for the Pixel. Not at all. Not even going to try it. So I am enjoying it. The crease in the middle of the phone still looks good. The overall quality of the phone seems a lot better too on this phone. So I know a lot of people are enjoying the Z Fold7, and I can't argue with that. If you're not enjoying it, I understand it. It's your phone, your opinion. I hopefully you returned it and got your money back if you're not enjoying it, but I don't know how you wouldn't be enjoying it, but it is what it is. Everybody has their own opinion of it. Overall, using it as a daily phone hasn't been bad. I can daily use this phone and not worry about having it break on me, get dust in it. I use it like I use a Pixel or my S25 Ultra. I just use it as an everyday phone, making phone calls, texting, Facebook, Instagram, TikToks, all that as an everyday phone has been great too. So the experience with this phone has been great. I know people was talking about the price being higher. I understand that too, but I'm not paying full price for this phone. I don't think a lot of people are. If you are, let me know in the comments. Also in the comments, let me know if you made it this far, what color you picked up, and what storage did you get. I had someone tell me that this blue shadow was the ugliest color of them all, but again, that is someone's opinions. I'm not going to judge them for their own opinions there, but I don't know. Y'all let me know. Again, and also if you like this type of video, let me know in the comments too, because again, I know we're used to people just sitting down at a table and flipping the phone around and looking at the display. Y'all already seen that so many times, so I'd rather get out in the field and show y'all the phone itself. So, but I am enjoying it. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna have it for a while. Stay tuned. You know, updates are coming to this phone. I don't know if y'all seen that jet. We are by an Air Force base, so they do maneuvers all the time around here. So if y'all ever see me video, or even at my house, you can hear them sometimes. So if y'all hear planes in the background, y'all know that's where it's from. But I think it's a little bit higher than what my camera's focusing on right now. Looks like some type of fighter jet. That one might came through because that was low. But again, I'm enjoying it. If you like this type of video, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.